my god, I'm shaking.
Oh,
My fingers are so swollen I can't even get them on.
That's perfect because I bought
my
it way
God.
too big.
Oh, that's so cool, you guys.
You can bend it.
Oh my god. That's insane. That's why you wanted me to get up here so bad.
Oh my gosh, we are doing that. No,
Oh my
doubt. Oh,
God.
that's fantastic.
Rick.
Oh, I hope I got that all. Well done.
I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Amazing.
You brought us to take pictures.
Yeah, you guys are hired.
I can't believe you had that up your sleeve.
I know, I'm
Didn't it seem
sneaky.
so cool?
It was
I've
just
been a nervous wreck for like 5 days.
It was in your pocket?
Yeah.